Hey, what's up guys, welcome back with Anfas Ahamed. Today I am going to unbox a mic. It's a BOYA M1 microphone. You can use it for cameras, DSLR, mirrorless cameras and smartphones. Smartphone, Android and iPhones. Let's unbox it. Let's jump into the video. And guys, this is the box. First here you can see the name BOYA and a brand name and the compatibility smartphone, tablets, PC, laptop and DSLR and camcorders. Here there is a sticker. If you remove it, we can verify. Let's remove and let's go to the website. This is the code you can scan. It will redirect to BOYA official website and you can verify there by using this pin. I will go to the website and I'll show how we can verify. Let's go.
First of all, go to your web browser and type BOYA mic security check. Then it will load and come at the first. There will be the official BOYA website. Go to that and enter your code. I will enter my code that's in my box. You enter your code that's in box and click on check, and it will load and tell is it original or not, but my one is original. You can see that.
Okay guys, let's come back to the video. The box we can see here you can use for smartphones, camcorder, DSLR, audio recorders and PC and etc. The specifications are 65 Hz to 18,000 Hz, minus 30 decibels to 3 decibels and 1000 ohms or less output interference, and connector is the 3.5 normal like headphone jack. It's a 3.5 jack, and if you are using for a DSLR or camcorders, you should use a battery. They have included a battery here, that's LR44 battery. Weight is 20.5 grams. Nothing much in the box. Let's open the box. From here there is a clip, and here let's open. First of all, we have a instruction manual. There are some guides like all the products. Let's keep aside, and here the battery is there, LR44, and there is a nice pouch. Before that there is a warranty card and nothing in the box. Let's keep the box and let's check the pouch. This is the pouch. Let's open, and there is a small packet. There is a windscreen and a 3.5 to 5.6 connector and a shade mount, and in the pouch, here, and the BOYA mic. This is the microphone. Here you can see BOYA, its logo is there, and there is a QR code at the back, and here you can see there is a switch for camera and smartphone or off. Then if you can release this plate, and here you can put this LR44 battery when you are using to a camera or any other DSLRs. But I am using a smartphone. You can check my gears in my website anfasahamed.com. Go and check it. I will put in the description. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. Let's put this windscreen to the microphone. Now you are hearing the iPhone 7 microphone. Let's change to this BOYA microphone and let's test the microphone. And guys, now we will put the dongle for iPhone and we will check the audio using the BOYA mic. Now you are hearing the iPhone 7 mic testing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And guys, mic testing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now you can hear using the microphone BOYA. You can see very well good sound quality. Hereafter you will hear this BOYA microphone. We will continue using BOYA microphone. And guys, there is a tip for you guys. Before that, make sure you subscribe my channel below and press the bell icon and smash the like button and share to your friends and family who are wishing to improve their audio quality. And the tip is you can use this for about 6 meters long. It's very long, 6 meter long wire. And if you are a vlogger or any other table shoot like this, you can use the BOYA MM1. It's a shotgun small micro one. I will put the link to buy that one. If you have any questions about this microphone, you can comment at the below comment section. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel. We will see you in my next video. Bye.